Hey Lincoln, what are you eating for lunch?
A nugget.
And what are you dipping it in?
Baku.
Baku? What are you eating, Eloise?
A nugget.
And what are you dipping it in?
Mac.
Yep, and Bennett. What are you eating for lunch?
Chicken.
And what are you dipping it in?
Ranch.
And what holiday is coming up?
Christmas.
Christmas? And what's going to happen on Christmas?
You get toys.
From who?
Santa.
Are you on his nice list?
Yes.
I think you're working on it. We'll hope he doesn't remember that you swung from the curtains and ripped him out of the wall, huh? We'll hope that he forgives you for that.
Yeah, I hope he forgets that.
All right, Eloise and Lincoln say Merry Christmas.
Be rich in it.
All right.